Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the best products out there. Today, we have a fantastic grooming kit that's going to revolutionize the way you take care of yourself. If you're looking for the best grooming kit for men, then you've found it with the Asio's Manicure and Pedicure set. This kit is designed to handle all your grooming needs, whether it's your nails, hands, feet, or even facial care, and it's the perfect companion for your personal care routine. The Asio's kit comes with 7 premium stainless steel tools, housed in a sleek, black and red synthetic leather case that's both stylish and functional. The compact design ensures it fits perfectly in your bag, making it a great option for travel. Whether you're on the go or at home, this kit gives you everything you need for perfect grooming. Now, let's talk about the tools inside this set. First off, you get both nail and toenail clippers, carefully designed to handle tougher nails. You also have a nail cleaner, a diagonal nail clipper, a large nail clipper, and a nail file, all made from durable stainless steel to ensure long-lasting performance. For those of you who take care of their eyebrows or need a little facial care, this kit also includes an eyebrow tweezer and an ear pick. One of the best things about this set is the portability. The case is lightweight and measures just 3.9 by 1.9 inches, making it easy to toss into your toiletry bag or even your pocket when you're heading out. Plus, it opens with a simple push of a button, making it hassle-free to grab and use when you need it. The high-quality stainless steel tools are engineered to be both sharp and sturdy, ensuring that they last longer and perform better than most other grooming kits on the market. The ergonomic design of the clippers makes them easy to handle, so even if you have thick nails or tough toenails, you won't struggle to get a clean cut. If you're looking for the perfect grooming kit for yourself or as a gift for someone special, whether it's for a husband, father, boyfriend, or even a brother, the Asio's Manicure set makes for an ideal choice. It's practical, durable, and comes in an elegant gift box that will impress anyone you give it to. So if you're ready to upgrade your grooming routine and want a kit that's as reliable as it is stylish, the Asio's Manicure and Pedicure set is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews like this one. See you in the next video.